Okay, the 9 modifications I did to my 2023 Tacoma SR5. 9 inexpensive modifications. My most expensive was the Carl Mickey car seat covers. Check out my other videos on the install and why I picked them. Carl Mickey comes with the center console. That's an extra $30 piece. I think I paid $220. They usually go for $269, I think. They come with 5 of these hats. That's what I was looking for. I didn't want just sides missing. I wanted a complete coverage and that center cap. So that was number 1. Number 2, the center, the top piece. It puts the connections on the top for the center console. Nice to have, more space. And if you got the wife that puts a lot of junk in the car, underneath, covers it all up. Nice to have. Okay, number 3, I'll go around the truck. You can see some of the other modifications. Not expensive. I think that center console piece was, I don't know, under 20 bucks or so. Number 3 was the divider in the glove box. Because again, wife likes to keep lots of junk, organizes it. I like it. Again, under 20 bucks. What else? Oh, this one right here. Makes the truck wireless. That's a $50 option. Plug and play. Plug it in, set up your phone. The minute you get in your phone, navigation will go right up the CarPlay. Nice to have. So is that for all for the interior? Let's see, the seat covers, the center console, the glove box organizer, and the wireless. Yep, so that's 4 right there. Of course, the $169 running boards or step-ups from Tiger. Because I'm 5'8", wife's about 5'5". We need that step-up. 169 bucks, 12 bolts, easy installation. That was Tiger. Again, soft cover. Tiger tonneau cover. Nice to have. Keeps the pine needles out. I think this is the second most expensive. I think it was like 200 bucks, 206 bucks or something. Right there. 26 bucks from Amazon. Fexon tailgate or bed lights. Nice to have. And not expensive. Oh, I did put the Air Force sticker up there, which I don't know if that's really a modification, but it's there. And another 20 bucks was the night blue metallic stickers in the back. Those were easy. I got them Etsy TVD vinyl decals. And then the last ones I just put on were these, same color, because that company, watch my other videos, had like 50 different colors, and I like that midnight blue or night blue. You know, just make the Tacoma a little bit different than everyone else's. So those were the 9 options or modifications that aren't very expensive. Seat covers were the most expensive. Carl Mickey, 220 bucks. I think they typically go for $269. I did it on I think a Black Friday price. I bought this truck in October 2023 for $34,500. Actually a little less because they Toyota keep sending me money back for some reason. They didn't want to register it because I bought it in North Carolina from South Carolina. So they sent my $600 check back. I registered it in South Carolina. It cost me like $550. Okay, so the seat covers, the center console top organizer, that was 20 bucks. Glove box organizer, another 20 bucks or so. The running boards, 169 bucks. Real easy to install. The tonneau covers, the second most expensive piece from Tiger. I think it was like 206 bucks. The Fexon LED lights inside were easy install, 26 bucks. You know, watch my other videos, thumbs up, share. And the vinyl stickers, that was 1. That's 2. And the wireless Bluetooth was Auto Sky. Oh, and of course my United States Air Force sticker. Thumbs up, subscribe, share the information, leave a comment. I think that'll be about it. There's only one other thing I might possibly get for this truck. And that's going to be, because someone left a comment and I asked about it. Because with a 5-foot bed, Harbor Freight's got a $69 thing that you can put in there. It comes out about, I don't know, 2 or 3 feet, and then up with a V or a U, so you can extend the bed, you know, turn into a 8-foot bed, so you can carry, you know, 10, 12, 16-foot boards, planks, other types of tubing, pipes. I've saw some that I really like that extends further up, goes up further, like carrying a canoe, so it can go up higher. So if you're going to carry a lot of long boards, you know, 12, 16-footer would be a problem, but not if you get that extender, and it's not that expensive, but I get it when I need it. So again, thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, share the information. Thanks.